Hello, Lilith. This is Ben. He is my friend. He is from England.
Hello, Ben and Jack. Welcome to Thailand. Yeah.
Hello, Nalet. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. May I hear you?
Yes. What's your advice about food, hotel, and attractions for you? If you were me, what would you do?
Okay. I think you should go to Pattaya. There is a 5-star hotel, such as Pattaya Blue Sky Hotel. For food, I think you try barbecue. Especially, I have got a lot of girlfriend.
Wow.
Thank you for your suggestion. That sounds interesting. Let's go, Ben.
Thank you, Nalet.
You are welcome. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Pattaya, Pattaya. Let's